Hello everyone, this is Tina, guest market analyst from FPG. Today is the 22nd of April, Tuesday. Investors seem to continue offloading US assets as the Trump administration is seeking a way to fire Fed Chair Powell. The US dollar stock markets and the US government bonds were sold off intensely on Monday, sending gold to a new time high and other currencies soaring. In the following video, I'm going to talk about the potential market trends of three major currencies against the US dollar, including the euro, the Australian dollar, and the New Zealand dollar. Let's get it started. The first one is the euro against the US dollar. So overnight, euro has surged against US dollar to the highest since November 2021. And the upside momentum could continue if it breaks out this potential key resistance that's around 100% Fibonacci expansion retracement. Once it's break up here, the next potential level could touch 1.2, which is around the next retracement of the Fibonacci expansion. However, I think at this moment, because also testing this key resistance, so in the short term, its near-term pullback is expected. And if I draw an uptrend line here, this trend line will become its key support area. Once price pull back and test this trend line, it might be a good buying opportunity of this pair. So the next one is Australian dollar against US dollar. Australian dollar is a typical commodity currency. Hence, we can tell this pair is not as strong as the euro, as euro is considered as a haven currency. So at this moment, Australian dollar is now trying to break up the 50% Fibonacci retracement. The price is around 0.64. So I would expect it could pull back and test the 50-day moving average, which also around this imminent support area. The Fibonacci retracement 38.2%. So in the long term, I think if US dollar weakens further, and this pair could continue going up. However, it is a commodity currency relating to the tariff-driven risks. So I think the downside risk remains. We just need to continue watching out those potential key price level. So the last one is New Zealand dollars against the US dollar. So this pair is much stronger than the Australian dollar. However, New Zealand dollar is also a commodity currency. Now it's breaking out this trend line. Potentially, they open up another wave of uptrend. Also, as now it's moving above the 50% Fibonacci retracement. So the next imminent resistance could be around 61.8%. This retracement level. So I would say New Zealand dollars, it's kind of seen as a haven currency at this moment, as New Zealand is not so much involved in the trade barrier caused by Trump's tariffs. So its upside momentum could continue with a break up here. It might continue going up and test the previous high in 2024.